All right, y'all, so when it comes to cars, building cars, doesn't have to be a Foxbody, doesn't have to be a Mustang, doesn't have to be anything like that. We want to do fast. We want to go fast. We want to handle. We want to look good. You know, we buy intakes and we buy coilovers and nitrous kits and superchargers and all that other stuff. And what we don't do is fix all the little stuff on our car that needs to be taken care of. And that can be taken care of really easy and on the cheap. And so for this video, I'm going to give you my top 5 things that on a Foxbody, something you can fix with basic hand tools extremely fast. And you can do it for super cheap. So I partnered up with National Parts Depot on this one, and we put this list together. You're going to love this. And I guarantee you, if you don't have all of them on the list, you at least got half of them. So let's go with number 1. All right, guys, so in no sequential order, we're going to start our top 5 countdown right here. It's Corey's 85 GT. Corey, what do we got here? How do you hold your hatch up?
Vice grips, or how you see it now.
Okay, guys, so everybody knows that most of the time you'll have some vice grips here, or you'll have like a broom handle or a 2x4. Okay, so what we're going to do right now, order these right up.
Awesome.
National Parts Depot. How long is it going to take to put them on? All right, guys, so there you go. Look at there. What was that, about 3 minutes?
Yep.
3 minutes. See? No more vice grips, no more broom handles, no nothing. Love it. All right, guys, so another Fox fix. Notice your door handle here. Notice how mine's just kind of sitting here like this, and then you look over at this one, it's tucked in nice and tight and all that. Yep, these little door handles, they get sprung like that. It will open, but you got to pull really hard. Little spring in there breaks. So what we're gonna do right now, show you how to swap it out. All right, y'all, so here is your replacement handle. Again, mpdlink.com, they got them in stock, left hand, right hand. Basically, all you have is this one little screw, what you see right there, and then it just kind of slides into the body. I'll swap that out now. All right, y'all, next on the list, again, has to do with your doors. These are your strikers, and as you can see, mine's beat to crap. And yeah, door pins end up needing it replaced after the wild days. But anyway, guys, you can see the bushing there. That's what keeps everything tight. Keeps everything from rattling around and moving around and getting loose and all of that. And for something that's like 11 bucks and requires one tool to remove, you can do this. So let's do it. All right, moment of truth. Very nice. That is how a Foxbody door is supposed to shut. All right, guys, so there you go. For literally 10 minutes worth of work. Now, both doors are done, both brand new strikers. Then this is gonna cure what you get when you're driving down the road and you just hear like a random rattling, stuff like that. That's the door hitting against the striker there because the bushing is gone. So, I mean, literally 20 bucks, 10 minutes worth of work. You enjoyed the better fit and finish for your car. But now, got a little more projects. Okay, guys, so wrapping up, because we got 2 left. This is something I see all the freaking time. People have ratty, nasty battery cables and ends. These ends are actually better than most of the ones I see, but seriously, these are not hard to change. Like, I don't know where this, it looks like somebody took an AutoZone end and put some like 0 gauge speaker wire or something, or I don't know, power wire or whatever. But seriously, how hard is it to change it? There you go, right there. A brand new end, correct length, correct color, and all you do is hook this up to the solenoid, bolt it up to the solenoid, and you're literally done. That's all there is to that. And then you got a good connection. You don't have to stick screws in there to make it, you know, hold it tight. You don't have to worry about stuff like this when it's coming out. And seriously, you know, your 13 or whatever that is, 12 millimeter wrench, and then, you know, unhook it from the solenoid, and you're done. Super simple. All right, so next up and final is your battery tray. These are not expensive. We're talking 25 bucks with a new hold down, hardware, everything. You look at this one, it's broken, there's no hold downs, or your battery's going everywhere, and most cars are like this. Seriously, most cars that you see are like this. Raise your hand if yours is like this, because mine was. But again, these are not hard to change out. There's nothing to it, so let's swap it out. All right, guys, so there you go. Battery's nice and tight down in there. Brand new battery tray, hold down, everything's not going anywhere. Brand new positive battery cable. So you're not gonna have to worry about any starting issues, anything like that. And it just looks clean, looks right, as opposed to having the giant speaker wire and all that sticking out. But again, super easy to do. The only reason that we don't have a solenoid here is because we wire tuck this car. Otherwise, the solenoid's right here. There's nothing to swapping out this or the battery tray, as you just saw. So there you go. So let's recap. Number 1, we did the hatch struts and eliminated your need for vice grips or a broom handle. We did the inside door handles that get sprung and you have to pull way back to get them to actually work. We did door strikers, so your doors actually shut nice and don't rattle around when you're driving. We did a positive battery cable and a battery tray to hold your battery down. All right, guys, so there you go. There's some super easy, super simple, super cheap products that you can do, projects that you can do on your car to make it better without spending a small fortune on all the go fast parts. I know everybody wants to go fast and look cool and, you know, buy all the fancy spiffy stuff, which is a good thing too, but don't neglect all the little projects. Again, they're super cheap, super simple to do, and just make your car that much better. So I hope that helped out. I'll have a link in the description to National Parts Depot where I got all these products. A huge shout out to them for partnering up on this. And again, just because you're not making it go faster does not mean you're not making it better. So, in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash your subscribe button. And as soon as this video is over, like in the next couple of seconds, go build your beast. Later, guys.